Hey there, ice cream lovers. Ever wondered what makes your favorite ice cream so irresistibly creamy and smooth? Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to uncover the secret behind the perfect ice cream. The freezing process. After the ice cream mix has aged, it's pumped into continuous freezers. These freezers perform two crucial operations at once: freezing the mix and incorporating air. Freezing usually happens in a horizontal freezer barrel, cooled externally by direct evaporation. The temperature drops to a chilly -5 degrees Celsius. Inside this barrel, there's a scraped surface heat exchanger with a rotating stirrer, spinning at 150 to 200 revolutions per minute. This stirrer scrapes the walls of the barrel, ensuring the mix freezes evenly. But that's not all. This process also incorporates air into the mix. As the mix freezes, air is whipped in, creating a beautiful emulsion. The amount of air incorporated is known as overrun. It's essentially the ratio of air to ice cream in the final product. By controlling the amount of air, we can create different textures in the ice cream. For instance, premium ice cream has less air, giving it a denser and richer texture. So next time you savor a scoop of your favorite ice cream, remember the magic that happens in those freezing barrels. It's the perfect combination of science and artistry, creating that creamy delight we all love. Thanks for joining me on this frosty adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty insights. See you next time.